Hey newbies, Niraja Anand here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to clear very basic doubts which we get when we start percentage topic while dealing with these type of questions. See, X is what percentage of Y is what percentage of X is what percentage more than Y is what percentage less than X. Okay. And also, if A is 20% more than B, by what percent is B less than A? Most of you answer 20% less. But it is not same. In this video, I'll teach you very easy techniques to deal with these type of questions. Okay, let's start from the basic now. Okay, newbies, let's take X value as 5 and Y value as 4. First, let's solve this. X is what percent of Y? They're asking 5 is what percent of 4. In the place of what percent, I'm taking X. That's it. Okay. Let's take X percent one side. We get 5 by 4. To convert this to fraction, just multiply this with 100. We get 125%. What is the meaning of this? 5 is 125% of 4. That's simple. Okay. We can get the same thing in the faster way. See here, X is what percent of Y? Comparison is with Y. So take that value to the denominator and X value to the numerator into 100. We get the same answer. I hope this is clear. Let's go to the second question now. Y is what percent of X? See, 4 is what percent of 5? Let's take X percent one side. What we get here? 4 by 5. To convert fraction to percentage, just multiply the value with 100. We get 80%. Meaning of this is 4 is 80% of 5. Very simple, newbies. See, to get this even faster, just take X value to the denominator and Y value to the numerator. Why? Because the comparison is with X now. Okay, just multiply this with 100 and we get the answer 80%. That's it. See, we got the same answer. I hope this is clear. Newbies, formula is X divided by Y. See, this value we are comparing with Y, right? That's why Y should come to the denominator into 100. Okay, for the second question, it is Y by X into 100 because the comparison is with X now. Am I clear? Let's discuss this pattern now. I'll assume the same values, X value 5 and Y value 4. Now the question is, X is what percent more than Y? Formula for this question is difference divided by comparison is with Y now. Y should come to the denominator into 100. Difference 5 minus 4 and Y value is 4 into 100. We get 1 by 4 into 100 which is 25%. In the previous pattern we got X is 125% of Y. Meaning is X is 25% more than Y. That's it. Am I clear? Whatever the extra value is there excluding 100, that is what the answer for this question. There we got 125%. Here we are getting 25%. That simple it is. Okay. Let's discuss this question now. Y is what percent less than X? Okay, formula for this question is difference divided by comparison is with X now. Let's take X value to the denominator. Okay, into 100. That's it. Difference 5 minus 4. X value is 5 into 100 which is 1 by 5 into 100. We get the value as 20% less. There we got 80%. No? How much it is less than 100? 20. That is what we are getting here. Okay, Y is 20% less than X, or else we can say Y is 80% of X. Both are same. I hope this is clear. Newbies, very interesting question is here. See, A is 20% more than B. By what percent is B less than A? As I mentioned in the intro, we usually answer it is 20% less, but it is wrong. Okay, technique is very simple. Let's go with the assumption method. Let's take B value as 100. If B is 100, we have to take A as 120. What is the reason? Reason is A is 20% more than B. Okay, next, what is the actual question? By what percent is B less than A? Less than, more than, what formula we have to use? Difference divided by with whom we are comparing, with A we are comparing, that value should come down into 100. Difference is 20 divided by A value is 120. This is 1 by 6 into 100. So 1 by 6 into 100 is 16.67%. See the reality? It's not same. A is 20% more than B, but B is 16.67% less than A. Maybe just you have to concentrate on placing the denominator. Okay, if you learn what value should come to the denominator, it's very simple to answer these type of questions. There is one more method which is easier than this. I know 100 is very friendly number. I do love to take 100 to assume any value. Okay, other than this, let's discuss one more method. Yeah. What I do is, I take fraction value of 20%, 1 by 5. Okay, now concentrate on the first statement. A is 20% more than B. Comparison is with B, right? So, what I'll do is, I'll take this value as B. Okay, B value 5. Denominator is done. Let's concentrate on the numerator. What is this numerator? This is difference, right? See, A is 20% more than B. What's the meaning of this? A value is more than B value. How much? Yes, just check the numerator. That tells you how much. That means A is 1 more than B. That is 6. This simple it is. Let's come to the actual question now. By what percent is B less than A? Less than, more than, again we have to take the difference. Now the comparison is with A. So let's take A to the denominator into 100. Difference is 1. Now what is the A value? 6 into 100. See, we got the same answer. This value is 16.67%. That's it. Let me explain this again. See, first take fraction value of this 20%, that is 1 by 5, and just check whom we are comparing with. B. Take this value as B value and numerator is 1. That means A is 1 more than B. A value we get as 6. After that, come to the last statement. By what percent is B less than A? Comparison with A now. A should come to the denominator. Rest everything is same. Okay, 1 by 6 is the answer, 16.67 is the final value. That simple it is. I hope this is clear. Anyways, next a similar question. If A is 33 1 by 3% less than B, by what percent is B more than A? Let's try this with the assumption method. Consider B as 100. If B is 100, A should be 33 1 by 3 less than B. That is 66 2 by 3. See, our assumption method is little difficult now. Yes, 100 is a universal number, but for the questions like this, 100 won't work. Okay, let's try this with the second method. What we have to do? Take fraction value of this percentage, that is 1 by 3. Comparison is with B. So let's take this denominator as B. B value is 3. Let's calculate A value now. See, A is less than B. How much? A is 1 less than B. This simple. See, we got both the values. Now, let's read the actual question. By what percent is B more than A? See, more than, less than, we know the formula. Difference divided by. Comparison is with A now. So, let's take A to the denominator into 100. Difference is 1 and A value is 2 into 100, which is 50%. Very simple. Take the fraction value of this percentage. Consider the denominator as B, since in the first statement the comparison is with B. Then just check A is less than or more than B. Accordingly set the A value and take the formula. Let's solve the last question of this video. If A is 12.5% more than B, by what percent is B less than A? Similar question. Try this. First, take the fraction value of 12.5, which is 1 by 8, and comparison is with B. So, let's consider B value as 8. Okay, after this, check whether A is more than B or less than B. A is more than B. How much? 1. So A value should be 9. Then by what percent is B less than A? Formula is difference divided by A into 100, which is 1 by 9 into 100. Answer is 11.11 percentage. Second method is easier method, right? I hope all the questions that we have solved in this video are clear. If you have any doubt, please do comment it. Thank you.